Clean behind bathroom partitions and stall doors by working systematically from top to bottom so nothing gets missed. Start by removing visible debris with a long-handled duster or vacuum, using a crevice tool to reach the top edges and hinge areas. Then wipe vertical surfaces with a microfiber cloth dampened in a neutral pH cleaner to avoid damaging finishes. For metal or painted surfaces, follow with a disinfectant compatible with the surface and allow the required contact time stated on the label to reduce bacteria effectively. Pay close attention to door handles, latch plates, and hinge knuckles because these are high touch points. Clean first with detergent, then apply disinfectant and repeat if residue remains. To access the narrow gap between the partition and the floor, use a flat mop with a disposable microfiber pad or a cloth wrapped around a thin board to agitate and capture trapped paper and dust. When cleaning behind the partition, pull the stall door inward and work from the hinge side outward so loose material is not pushed farther into corners and under fasteners. Finally, inspect for rust, caulk failure, or loose fasteners and tighten or report anything structural to prevent gaps that will collect more grime. 3 common mistakes are only wiping visible faces and ignoring top edges where dust and cobwebs accumulate, using a single cloth for all stalls and spreading contaminants, and failing to allow disinfectants their dwell time so microbes are not killed. To avoid the first, include an overhead sweep and feel edges with a gloved hand for hidden buildup. Prevent cross-contamination by assigning color-coded or disposable cleaning tools and changing them between areas. Respect manufacturer dwell times and follow label instructions for dilution and drying so the product actually sanitizes. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and makes it easy for people to post project needs and browse profiles to find workers near them. We also host a discussion community where we and other users share real-world tips, ask questions, and recommend approaches for tricky cleaning tasks or larger restroom maintenance projects.